Hello and good morning to all my dear students and parents. Today's video is going to be very interesting and informative for students as well as parents. Watch this video till the end. Today we are going to learn the mail merge. Let's see what we required the basic knowledge for the mail merge. We required for mail merge Microsoft Word and Excel. Microsoft Excel. What we can do by mail merge. Dear students, mail merge is most often used to print or email letters to multiple recipients. Using mail merge, you can easily customize from letters for individual recipients. You can easily send letters to large number of recipients in a single click. You can also design and create multiple ID cards, invitation cards, and many more things through this feature or by mail merge. So let's get started how to use mail merge. For mail merge, we have a list of students in Excel. I have an Excel file, or I have also created a list of student data for the ID card in an Excel workbook. This is my worksheet in Excel workbook, and this is the data of students. I have 24 students with the serial number, admission number, name, class, section, father name, and address. So I am going to use this data in my mail merge for printing ID cards. Now come to the Word. This is my Word window. In this window, I have already created a design of ID card. This is my ID card, and I have already created my ID card in the Word format. You can also design your ID card in the Word. I have created this in Word. So let's get started how to design this ID card in the Word. So this is very easy to design this. So come how to design this, I'm going to tell you. I have taken another file like this, Control and N, and now click in the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, I have taken a table row. In this row, by the tab key, by my keyboard, I have added more rows in this table. So in the first row, I am going to insert a logo for the ID card like this. This is the logo. So I can copy this logo, or you can directly insert from your computer. I am going to copy this logo from existing design. Copy and then paste. This is in the left align. So I am going to be in the center align. Now this logo is in center. Enter for the space top of the logo. And now come, this is my school name. So I am copying this from here, paste it here, and then make it centered align. Now it is centered align. Okay, now what is it? This is the shape. This is shape for photo. So in the Insert tab, I have shapes. So click the rectangle box and create a shape like this. So this ID card is this ID card is large, so I am going to make it small from here. Simply you can do this. Okay. So in the next row, click enter and then move it here. Yes, this is space for photograph, and the fill color is blue, so I am going, I want the fill color should be transparent or white. So by this, double click on this shape. You have drawing tools in the Word and click on the format, click on the shape styles and choose any one of the color. So I am taking this, right. This is for photo, and then again go to the insert tab, click on table and then use draw table option for separating the you're making a row with two box. Okay, this is very easy. So students, this is for name, this is admission number, this is class / section, this is father's name, and address. You can also take mobile number or the fields you want in your ID card. So I am going to make it right align. So select all of them and Control R is the shortcut key to make these right align. Okay, so we will use here the mail merge variables for the ID card creation. Here I am going to use principal for signature. Okay, so now this is the design without color. This is the ID card, but in my ID card I have some grid lines. In this ID card we have some grid lines, so we have to remove these grid lines. So what we can do to remove these grid lines, click this option in the table and go to the table tools. In the table tools we have design. Go to the design and here border option. Go to the border and click no border. Now the border is removed, but I want the outside border of this table. So again click on this option and click on to the border and use this feature outside border. So now we have to fill background color of our ID card. So what we can do for this, click on this button of the table. Here is the table of tools. Go to design and here is the option shading. Click on the color you want to use. Then this is our design ready. Okay, so let's start it. How to create mail merge. Now here are some simple steps I'm going to tell you, students. First, what you can do, the table you have data for student. First you need to close this table. Yes, like this. Close this file. Click on the mailing tab. In the mailing tab we have option start mail merge. Click on the letter and then select recipient. So this is the option. Here what we can do, type a new list and use existing list. Type a new list I will tell you in the next video, and now in this video I am going to tell you how to use existing list that we have already created in the form of Excel worksheet. So use this option, use existing list. This is, click on this button and then select the file where you have already entered the data of the students. So on the desktop here is a file list. Click that file. In this file there is a sheet 1. Click that sheet. Okay, I have already attached that list in the Word. To check what we have added in the recipient list, edit recipient list. All the data from that Excel worksheet is attached in this Word file in the recipient list. So this is the recipient list. Here these are the headings. So in these fields, name, serial number, like this. Okay, so click OK. The most important step of the mail merge is to insert the merge field. Merge field is what? Merge field is the field from that table we have taken from the Excel file. We have to insert merge field in our ID card. So in the name option, we have to insert the first merge field, insert merge field like name. Click name. In the admission number, I will add ADM number. We have two merge field for class is separate and for section is separate. So first what I will do, class slash my keyword and then section, like this. Or you can simply use class space section. Now father's name, click on this father name and then address. Insert this merge field, address. So these are merge fields we have added from the recipient list and recipient list from Excel workbook or Excel sheet. So our mail merge is completed. We will check the result. Now click on this button, preview result. When we click on this, you got the result. This is Vishesh and admission number is this, class section is this, and father name and then address. Now if you want to check the next ID card, click next, then by single ID card we can create multiple ID card. So this is the mail merge feature, and now I want to create all ID cards on different pages. Click on this, finish and merge, edit individual, choose radio button all and then OK. So students, we have created the total 24 ID cards on single click in the different file. This is our mail merge file and this is the different file, letter 1. Okay students, so this is the mail merge. By this we can create multiple letters, we can create multiple ID cards, we can create multiple invitation cards in a single click. The condition is we have the data of all the records. So thank you very much. This is the video for mail merge. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much students.